Hello, I am Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health. Unlike many other channels, we do not waste your time. We share simple health advice that can help you stay stronger, steadier, and more independent after 60. Your morning coffee can do much more than wake you up. After 60, muscle loss becomes a serious problem, increasing the risk of weakness, falls, and loss of independence. The good news is that adding the right natural ingredients to your coffee may help support stronger muscles, healthier joints, better circulation, and steady energy. Today, I will share the 5 best ingredients you can easily add to your coffee to help you stay stronger, healthier, and more active as you age. The first ingredient is whey protein. Many older adults do not get enough high-quality protein. Whey protein is rich in leucine, an amino acid that helps your body build and repair muscle. Adding 1 scoop of unflavored whey protein to your morning coffee may help improve strength, balance, and recovery. It is one of the best ways to fight age-related muscle loss. The second ingredient is collagen powder. Collagen supports your muscles, joints, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Your body naturally makes less collagen as you get older. A scoop of collagen powder in your coffee may help reduce joint discomfort, improve flexibility, and support easier movement throughout the day. The third ingredient is turmeric, with a small pinch of black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound that helps reduce inflammation. Black pepper greatly improves the absorption of curcumin, making it much more effective. This simple combination may support healthier joints, stronger muscles, better heart health, and improved brain function. The fourth ingredient is unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa is rich in flavonoids that help improve blood circulation. Better blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, helping reduce stiffness, increase energy, and support healthier blood pressure. Just 1 teaspoon can make a difference. The fifth ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon helps support healthy blood sugar levels and may reduce inflammation. Stable blood sugar gives your muscles a steady supply of energy instead of sudden highs and crashes. It is an easy and affordable addition that can support better energy and healthier aging. These simple ingredients are not magic cures, but they can become part of a healthy daily routine. Combined with regular exercise, healthy meals, good sleep, and advice from your doctor, they may help you stay stronger, more active, and independent for many years. I am Dr. Steven, and this is Gentle Health. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Gentle Health for more simple, science-based health advice that helps you stay strong, steady, and independent after 60. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.